I'm going to create a Next.js app. This is the Next 13 app, and you can use any version of Next.js. This method works with server-side rendered, incremental static regenerated, and static site generated Next.js apps, though for static sites, you'll have to change a little bit of configuration. I'm going to create a GitHub repo. That also pushed my application to GitHub. Now I'm going to go into the AWS console and select AWS Amplify. I'll click Get Started and host my web app. I'll choose GitHub, select my repo, and my branch. On this next page, I'll keep all the defaults and create and use a new service role, and then save and deploy. After 2 to 3 minutes, your app will be deployed. I can go ahead and click on it and open it up in my browser and send this link to anybody. By default, this application will redeploy every time I push a new commit to GitHub, and I can also set up previews for other branches, custom domains, and more, all through AWS Amplify. In addition, you can add a backend to your Next.js app with Amplify. So if you're interested in that, check out docs.amplify.aws to learn more.